my day today. Sitting outside on the swing here. Just my feet. With the dog. That's Groot. That's my son's dog. He's Pit. But he's a good boy. And just enjoying nature today. Got a lot of wood split for our little fires here at night. Yeah. It's peaceful. I'm listening to the birds. This dog here, he could stay outside all day if you let him. He loves the sun, for sure. But I just thought I would come on and, say something. Haven't been on for a while. I did do some Christmas cards, and I do want to get them on. And that's about it, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do today, other than I'm doing laundry, but other than sitting with the dog, I guess. That's for now, that's about all. I have a fake dog up here. But that's a real dog. But he's a good boy. Real good boy. So yeah, I thought I'd better say something so everyone knows I'm still around. But I guess that's all I got to say. So, I'll come on later with some cards I made. I think Annie is doing the Christmas card thing, so I'll use her hashtag. And yeah, that's about it. Alright. He's gonna move around for a while, so alright, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.